Welcome back. We have big breaking news coming in for you right now. Let's shift to it. The Supreme Court ordering the release of NewsClick founder Prabir Purkayastha. The bench was headed by Justice B.R. Gavai. It's termed Purkayastha's arrest as illegal. They've said the grounds of arrest were not supplied to him. This is a major development in this case. We just bring you more context in this entire story. We'll ask our reporters exactly what it is that the court has noted in this entire story. Ananya Bhatnagar, our legal correspondent, joining us right now. Ananya, when this incident had gone down, when NewsClick founder Prabir Purkayastha was taken into custody, first you'd had senior journalists, writers, lawyers, academicians all express their solidarity. We'd covered this story on CNN News18. Right now, a big top court issuing this order. Just tell us a little bit more about what they've had to say.
Well, definitely, this order is coming from bench by Justice B.R. Gavai. And very clearly and categorically, the court has noted that, since Prabir Purkayastha was not, the grounds of arrest while he was arrested in this particular case, and it is, violation of the function judgment of the Supreme Court, and that's exactly why his arrest was termed illegal by, in fact, the Supreme Court, and his subsequent remand too has been, termed to be illegal in this particular case. However, the court has not gone into the merits of this case, but very clearly and categorically stated that Prabir Purkayastha should be released after, the pronouncing bond. However, the trial in this case is yet to begin. The charge sheet has already been filed in this particular case. But at the same point of time, this time there's a big setback for, in fact, the Delhi Police's special cell that has been, pursuing this particular case since the very beginning. And now this is a big setback coming in for the Delhi Police's special cell, wherein, this whole arrest has been termed illegal by the Supreme Court itself.
Okay. So, Ananya, does this mean that the NewsClick founder can now walk free?
Well, definitely it means that the NewsClick founder would now walk free, and very clearly and categorically he would be out after, furnishing the surety bonds in this particular case. And very clearly and categorically, this is a big setback coming in for the Delhi Police's special cell. So how will the special cell take it? Well, whether it would use its legal remedy or, would it leave the Purkayastha like that? Because Purkayastha was in jail. Remember, two people were arrested in this particular case, Prabir Purkayastha, and another was Amit Chakravarti, who's the founder, who's the HR head of NewsClick. However, he had later turned an approver in this particular case. But at the same point of time, Prabir Purkayastha's arrest has now been termed illegal by the top court.
Okay, so Ananya, tell us this. The Delhi Police special cell in its charge sheet had alleged evidence of involvement in terrorist acts, unlawful activities. They had also made the allegation that Purkayastha was involved in raising funds for terrorist activities and conspiracy. These are all very serious allegations. Can you tell our audiences, Ananya, right now the grounds on which the Supreme Court has allowed his release is the argument that they've made that the manner in which the arrest took place was illegal. But the fact that they've allowed this release, is this also a comment on the charges that the Delhi Police Special Cell made in its charge sheet or not? How should we see it?
Well, definitely it is not a comment on the Delhi Police charge sheet from the rights of this particular case, because the only sole issue before the Supreme Court was that the arrest of Prabir Purkayastha in this particular case was illegal. The proper procedures were not followed while he was arrested. What the contention was that he had laid the rails before, in fact, and exactly on that, the Supreme Court is very clearly and categorically noted that Prabir Purkayastha should be released since his arrest was illegal, since the grounds of arrest was not deployed to, in fact, to him in view of the function judgment in the country. And very clearly and categorically, it is only and only with regards to arrest. The legality of the arrest is not on the merits of this particular case. The statute would proceed on in this case as it is, and the arguments in charge could also begin in this particular case very soon.
Okay, so as you're saying, a big setback to the Delhi Police, a big win for Prabir Purkayastha for NewsClick. We're going to head into a quick break. On the other side, more of the country's top stories. This is the Breaking News Show on CNN News 18.